Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text button curve in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make text button curve. Go to the Insert menu, then select the word art option and insert any word art. Then write anything on this word art. Then click OK. Now we want to make this text button curve. Go to the word art menu, select the change shape, and we can see here many shapes. We select the curve shape. Here the curve up. Then we select it. Then resize the text. Now we can see we make text button curve very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.